How to use PayPal Ultimate Beginner's Guide. So I'll take you one-on-one on how to use PayPal. So the first thing that you need is to come to PayPal login. Once you come to PayPal login, you will be able to log in. Now we are logged in PayPal. So after we are logged in PayPal, here this is where we get the balance. We get the balance. In the three dots, we get to money page, to send a request, or automatic transfers. So sometimes you open a new tab, and also for for the three things we'll open a new tab. We can see here set up automatic transfers. Sometimes maybe you have people that you want to pay on a certain day automatically, so you'll turn on transfer. So we will link a bank and we'll see the frequency. Maybe automatic transfer, there are people maybe like rent you want to pay monthly on the first of every month at 1 p.m. local time. Maybe you want to pay twice per month, or there are certain bills that maybe your company is running, you need to automate so that on those days it will it will be able to execute. So we'll come here money, we can see the money. This is the available balance. The available balance is $112. You can either transfer the money. Once you transfer the money, we'll see the option where you'll have to put the other PayPal email address or where you're transferring. You can either transfer money from PayPal, either from PayPal to PayPal, or maybe transfer PayPal to a linked bank account. We can see currency, automatic transfer. We can convert currency. Sometimes you may be having you may be sent Canadian dollars, and you want and your country you're operating with US dollars. Or sometimes you can be sent a euro. You need to convert to use this one here to convert the currency. We can see we can add an additional currency that was not in PayPal. We can be able to send or request for payment. Also, we can be able to link a new bank, and we can link cards. As you can see here, there is a card that has been linked, so we can be able to link bank. When it comes to linking the bank, this is what we see at this page. We'll be able to put the necessary information where we will be able to link our bank. So we can see also payment preference. Sometimes we make a preference, say that we want to choose the preferred way to pay online. We will use this when shopping online and send for goods and services. You can always choose a different payout checkout. As per now, we can say use PayPal balance. So we have two options, either to use the PayPal balance or we use the MasterCard balance. So we can say use the PayPal balance. If you don't have enough money in your balance, we will also pick one of the other payment method. So we can confirm that. Choose your preferred your PayPal balance as to set your way to pay, or to you set PayPal balance to pay your for anything online. So after that, we can come to other features that PayPal has. We can see send payment to. So in case you need to use, you have mass payout, pay up to 500 people at a time, no monthly fee. We can send an invoice, more ways to send. So here, in case you are sending cash to lifestyle tutorials, and maybe you need to donate, you'll just come here, lifestyle tutorials. You must find their email address. That's the most convenient way. Then maybe it's at gmail.something, and you will be able to send cash to them. So this was an ultimate beginner's guide to guide you. So we can see here we talked about this is a PayPal balance. We can come here, transfer the money, set payment. We can even maybe opt the preferred method. Inside, for the last 7 days, we can get the metrics, like when we say what have we transacted for the last 90 days. we can see 11 the 11th 13 $70. We can view the transactions in case you need to view them. Once you open the link, you'll be able to view the transaction. We can see the money out. We can also view the transactions. Once we come here, we'll be able to view all the transactions. And this is a query bar where you will be able to input a certain transaction ID in case you have a PayPal dispute, or you really need to confirm whether a certain transaction went through. You'll ask the client to send a screenshot of the you are running a business, and you are netpreneur running a big business. You need to search the ID here. In case like here, we need to look the transactions. We can query. We can be able to say that we only want the payment sent, either the payment received, the refunds alone. We can say that we want to see balance overview of all transaction. We can see maybe for companies, this is the most important thing. For invoice, you can see the unpaid invoice and the paid invoice. So maybe somebody had supplied good for you and they are claiming they have not yet received the money. You'll just come here and be able to generate the paid invoice. In case somebody else is said they are unpaid, you'll come confirm if their invoice was paid or not. We can say they are unpaid. So we can say you can change the currencies. We can change maybe to USD, and once we apply that, we have all the only transactions that are dealing with USD. You can take it back to the normal where all currencies. We can also confirm up to what date do you want to query for that. We can say for the whole of 2023, the whole of 2022. We can pick from what date to what date we'll be able to apply. Once we apply that, we'll come here and say download. Once we come to the download feature, we'll be able to generate a report. I have a video that I have talked more about how. Stay tuned in the YouTube channel. You will find in the description link another video that I have explained how to download a PayPal statement, maybe for the last 6 months, for the last year, depending. So as we are integrating more on using PayPal, we'll say stay logged in. We can say we have quick link. These are business tool for invoicing, for requesting money, for sending money, and PayPal checkout. We can see the business tools. We can open in a new tab, and also we can open the PayPal checkout. For invoicing, I have a video in this channel that I will attach here, how to request for an invoice in PayPal. So ensure in the description link you'll be able to find it. So we can see here is an action how to create an invoice, how to request money. I have a video that I've explained more that how you will get your clients, tell them to request you money. So as per now, as we can see that we would like some information to ensure you fulfill the order. This is a sign that shows this PayPal is on temporary limit. We can see that we need some information. This is the temporary limit that we are about to solve. So in case your PayPal has those issues, ensure you come in the YouTube comment section, be able to comment, or in the description link you will find my personal details where you'll be able to reach me out, and at a token of appreciation, I'll be able to solve your temporary limit, your permanent limit, or maybe withdraw cash that has been held for PayPal for over 180 days, or in case you have 20 payment that has been held for 21 days and you cannot manage to wait for bills up to that time, I'll be able to charge you as a negotiable fee, so for to be able to remove the 21 days hold. So something else we can see the recent payment. It gives us the recent payment that have been made. You have ordered, ready to ship, add tracking information. So anytime PayPal has a policy that if somebody who has sent goods to you, ensure you hire a shipping company that will be able to track the address. So at any one time, maybe if I'm in United States and I've ordered a shoe from Germany company, I'll be able to see I'll be able to be updated on geographical precise location where the good is and at what time and at what day, so that in the delivery once once I receive the shoe, the good that I had paid for, I'll be able to come to my PayPal and release the same payment. So something else that we'll be checking, I'll be checking. We can see, let us look at the business tools and the payout, a business tool recommended for you. We can see that PayPal button, manage legacy option. Maybe you need a website and you need a PayPal button where once people be able click on it, they'll be able to get to your PayPal from your website or something that you are run. This is the tool that to use, the PayPal button. Recurring payments on dashboard, easy automated payments. So sometimes you have you are running a company and sometimes you need to pay recurring bills that every month. Maybe you need to pay for the dustbin fee, or maybe you need to pay for security fee. All you will need is come here, use this recurring payment dashboard. Go to more recommendations. We can see invoicing. It's possible to invoice, accept payment, PayPal buttons, recurring dashboard, make payment, send money, pay out. That is in case you want to easy mass payout. So we'll also come to the other way that use PayPal check to get paid on or in app. Connect with buyers from all over the world, enable them to pay the way to pay. Choose a way to integrate. We can either integrate PayPal with PayPal, debit card and credit card, or alternate payment methods. So this is for since this is a developer, PayPal will be able to get to that. So here we have the message center. So this was an ultimate guide to show new people how to use PayPal. We'll go to our message center, then our profile settings, and everything will be good. We can see this is our message center. In case you want to ask a PayPal assistant, and here I have created a video in this channel that shows how to chat a PayPal, how to live chat a PayPal assistant. Ensure you watch, subscribe for more content, and I'll also always keep you updated. So we can see here there are no messages, and that is a tool that it has. We'll go to profile settings. So for profile settings, we can see the emails update that has been linked. We can see that you can link different email addresses in one PayPal account, so that you can be running 6 businesses. So to know how more details on how to link different email addresses, in my YouTube channel lifestyle tutorials, I've explained more. You will put your phone numbers, password, security questions. You will be able to update them, then 2-step verification. This ensures that no one will be able to hack into your account. It adds an extra layer of security to your account by using one-time security code in addition to your password each time you log in. So we'll go to account type. This is a business account type. In my channel, I've described how to promote a PayPal account from a personal account to a business account. So we can see personal information will not get to there for confidentiality policies, but we can see we can go to, in case you need to log out, or maybe you need to know the other places. We can see there are resolution centers. Let me show how to get to resolution center. So I'm sure this is a good tutorial for beginners. I've shown you how the business tools that we have, how we can request money. At the moment, this PayPal has a limit. So in case you need any assistance and your PayPal happens to be in a temporary limit, I'll be able to assist you. So we can say that in case you need to log out, we have another that option. In case you need the account settings here this is where you say that how that the login with PayPal, in case you need to give a IP address. We can see limits on your account. As per now, we are on a temporary limit. We can see that account limit is balance limit, no daily or no limit, receiving limit, sending limit, withdraw limit, lift the limits. So we can say that this is where you know whether your account is limited or not limited. So this is lifestyle tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. This was an ultimate step-by-step guide on how to use PayPal. Thank you.